In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 widgets not working. If your widgets panel won't open, shows a blank screen, or stops refreshing, this quick walkthrough will help you get it back on track using a few simple checks and a fast reset of the widgets process. First, let's make sure widgets are actually enabled on your taskbar. Move your mouse to an empty area of the taskbar, right-click, and choose Taskbar Settings. This opens the personalization section focused on the taskbar. Look for the Widgets option and make sure the toggle is turned on. When it's on, Windows shows the Widgets button on your taskbar and allows the panel to open. If it was off, turning it on should immediately restore the feature. If it's already on, just confirm it stays enabled and move on to refreshing the process. Next, we'll use Task Manager to restart the Widgets component. Press Ctrl+Shift+ES key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, that's fine. You should still be able to find what you need. In the Processes list, look for Windows Widgets, or an entry named Widgets.exe. This is the background process that powers the panel. Sometimes it can hang, especially after updates or waking from sleep, and a quick end and restart can clear it up. Once you've located Windows Widgets or Widgets.exe, right-click it and select End Task. Don't worry, this doesn't uninstall anything. It simply closes the stuck instance so Windows can start a fresh one. Ending the task usually takes just a second, and you might see the entry disappear from the list as it shuts down. Now, let's relaunch the panel. Hold the Windows key and press W. That keyboard shortcut is the fastest way to open widgets and also triggers Windows to restart the underlying process if it isn't already running. Give it a moment to load. You should see your news, weather, and other cards repopulate. If it opens normally and content starts appearing, you're all set. To recap what we did, we verified the widgets toggle in taskbar settings is on, we ended the Windows widgets process in Task Manager to clear any hangups, and we relaunched the panel with Windows plus W. These steps address the most common reasons widgets stop working in Windows 11 and get you back to a smooth, responsive experience. If the issue comes back occasionally, repeating this quick refresh is a safe and reliable fix.